Midnight Moving Pictures presents Heckle and Jeckle, the talking magpies in 10-Pin Terrors.
I say, old Pinhead, we'll never get any sleep with all that racket.
You're right, chum. We gotta put a stop to this.
Listen here, old boy. You'll have to stop this bowling. My friend and I are having an extremely difficult time trying to sleep. And if you don't stop, we will have to take drastic measures, that's all. I just thought we'd warn you, you know, because we cannot tolerate this any longer. We simply will not put up with all that noise. And mark my words, we're not the ones to stand for any nonsense. And the sooner you realize that, old bean, the better off you'll be.
You know, I don't think he believed us. Drop that ball. Okay, chum. Ow! Why, you... Hello, hello, hello,
Hello.
hello,
Hello.
hello, hello.
Your 2 minutes are up, sir.
Eight ball in the side pocket.
Hey, alley-oop.
You miss.
Missed the game.
You gotta do better than that, chum. Here's a little present for you.
It won't be long now.
And then we can get some sleep.
Good night, old pinhead.
Good